Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to show you a lot of questions I get on in the past, especially now that people have subscribed and watched more of my videos. Now they're starting to understand on why I used to thin so much or prune so heavy, thin out the trees to look like bare minimum, and it's to reduce my production. I have so much production that I can't handle it. This is my donut peach, this tall huge peach that in about a week I'm going to bring down to this height and bring it in a little bit. This peach probably had almost 1,000 peaches in the spring, early spring when it was setting fruit, and I had to thin hundreds off. I have been giving about 50 to 80 peaches almost every day from this tree. And you can just see some of the branches. Now imagine the whole tree look like that cluster right there, the whole tree, the whole thing. And now finally I'm thinning it out to where its limbs are getting empty. Now you see all the peaches on the ground all over the place. Look at that, just rotting fruit flies. I have to collect them. This is just in the past couple days right here of how much fruit I had to take off. This is about almost 20 pounds of peaches in this bucket. I think it's about 17, but it will be 20 in a little bit. I put some diatomaceous earth on it so I get less fruit flies. I'm going to throw that out right after this video. Unfortunately, I don't want to compost it because it's just going to be mold and fruit flies. I don't want problems right now. Now I'm going to show you my Babcock peach. Look at the production. Look at all this. And I thinned. See the size? I thinned it out heavily. And go ultra wide. And you can see how much there is. Hey Lulu. You can see how much there is. Let's go over to my Dapple Dandy Pluot, and I'll show you that as well. That I did not thin. I don't really thin my pluots. They thin themselves. It's really hard to thin them because they're covered in leaves when they're little baby fruit. So let me show you that right now. Come on, Lulu. So you can see on one of these branches. Let me ultra wide here in a moment. Here's ultra wide. You can see how much production I get from not thinning. Now I should thin now, like this little guy. Actually I should right now, because this might be lady. Oh, I don't mind ladybugs. That might be a problem later. But yeah, so you definitely have to thin, or you're gonna get massive issues. There's a Santa Rosa weeping. That's at least, I pulled 50 off of this already, and there's probably 40 more on that. I have another Santa Rosa as well. So that's why I thin so much and I prune so heavily. I'm trying to reduce. I have a lot of people complaining after planting a fruit tree for 5-6 years. They're barely getting fruit set. And I'm showing pictures on Instagram. By the way, my Instagram is the same name, Zaatar Gardens, if you like to follow me. On Instagram and on YouTube, that they're happy for me, but they're mad at the same time that I'm trying to reduce the amount I get. Do you guys see this? Now, if you walk all the way around, you're going to see even more. But this is a 4-in-1 fruit tree. Nectarine, peach, plum, apricot. So I don't have to try. And that's from years and years of building up the soil, years and years of showing videos and Instagram posts on how to do it. Wow, it smells like peach pie the closer I get to these fruit. But yeah, just mimic nature. It'll take care of you. The more you do, the less is going to happen. It's weird, but it's true. Sometimes I wish I could do more to my trees. I should be around them more. But the more I touch them, the more I do things with them, the more I screw things up. Happy gardening, everyone. Come on, Lulu. Let's go. Come on.